Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Roblox account must be verified and meet age requirements for voice chat. Once done, check that your device has a functioning mic and that the Roblox app or browser is up to date. Next, enable microphone permission in your operating system and in the browser or app. Without that, Roblox cannot access audio. Make sure your mic is selected as the default input device so the next steps work smoothly. You now enable voice chat inside Roblox. Open Settings, go to Privacy, and switch voice chat on. If Roblox asks for extra verification, phone number or ID, follow the prompts. This validates age and prevents account restrictions. Once toggled, make sure the app or browser shows the microphone icon and that the selected input matches your device. Finally, restart Roblox to ensure permissions take effect and to let the platform register your verified status before joining voice-enabled games. You finish by joining a game that supports voice and testing your microphone. Use push-to-talk if the game requires it, or speak to check auto-transmit. If you don't hear yourself or others, make sure system sound levels are up, the app has microphone permission, and any firewall or antivirus isn't blocking audio. Reboot the device, reinstall Roblox if needed, and re-verify your account. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.